Hello, welcome. This is the first time I'm actually showing a good amount of myself. Don't really like that because I'm kind of camera shy, but that's besides the point. Today I have a very different video. Since as everyone knows, there's that whole computer parts shortage, whatever, so no one could get a graphics card and stuff like that. So when a friend came up to me and asked, hey, I want a computer, I need to edit 4K videos, all that stuff. He's also a YouTuber, right? I'll link his stuff in the description. But I did recommend a company that I have been recommending for the past couple years. I really like the NZXT BLD service. Right? They're one of the only system integrator that I think doesn't overcharge. Right? They list every single product they use with the prices, and you can compare and contrast with stuff that you can get currently. This computer, I'm gonna go grab it. So, as you all can see, NZXT. Right? I really like the service, as I said. So this is the first time I'm personally using it. Right? I'm using it because he also wants some etching done to it. I'm gonna add some extra stuff just to make it look nicer. But he wants some etching done on the glass. So I have it here. So I was like, hey, might as well try to do a review. Kind of, because I'm pretty garbage at that. But anyways, this is the first time I'm using it. So I do want to see how they did, what it's like. And let's pretend I've never used it. Actually, I never did use it. So let's unbox it. X-Acto knife. So, okay. See how bad I am at this. Okay. Nice. Let's see. I've seen a lot of reviews online of how good this service is, or how bad it is, or like the shortcomings. I think everyone has seen the Gamers Nexus review on the customer service and said it was pretty bad. Sirens. Ooh, okay. Oh, so this is nice. So if you see here, they put foam. That's cool. I was like, the H510 isn't this big. Whoa, that's cool. That's cool. Looks like you could put eggs in here. Anyways, okay. So this table doesn't fail me. Let's flip this over. Okay. All right. And let's slide this out. Try to slide this out. Also, I do have the computer upside down, which is okay, because I'm very struggling. Okay, so, nice. There's another piece of foam down here, so it's actually super protected. Not to, shame or hate on FedEx. When I went there to pick it up, I want to say thank you, that the lady did help us bring it here, but she put it on the table at like the very edge, and that was not fun. I was sweating. Okay, so as y'all can see, we chose the white NZXT BLD. It says white right here, it doesn't say white right here. It doesn't say white right here. Let me turn it around. Boom. Look at that. NZXT. Doesn't say white anywhere here, but it's on top. But this is a white one, white H510. And it has a Ryzen 9 3900X, a 3060. We did pay a little bit overpriced for that, but what can you do, right? Everything's at a shortage, everything is at a higher price, so, it is what it is. What can you do? But let's see, I just want to see how it goes. Let's do an unboxing, which I'm already struggling with. As you can see, I'm completely out of breath, because I don't know why, this is so tiring. I'm pretty out of shape. So, anyways, let's get this open. Okay, let's try it again. Okay. All right. Okay, it's finally open. Whoa. Okay, so first thing I see in here is a bag of accessories. It's the XPG because we did have an XPG power supply. I think in here, it just has extra power cables. Let's move this over so we have light in the way. So, down here. So this is just all the accessories that comes from the modular power supply. Here's the power cable. These are if you wanted to add, you know, another graphics card or a bigger graphics card, storage. Molex, we don't really use that. Yeah. So, that's that. Okay, let's put this in here. All right. Quick start guide. So the other thing that is included is a quick start guide, right? It teaches you where to plug in your computer, how to turn it on, how to plug in peripherals connecting to the interwebs. Yeah. Okay, I should probably read that. Anyways, let's take computer out. This is the star of the show, right? The computer. Let's see how hard I mess this up. All right, ready? Okay, I think there's something else in there. Ah, okay. Yeah, that's not that bad. That's not that bad. Let's put this in. Okay. Okay. So, before we look at the computer, let's check out what they have in the box. So, this is just all the, I think, motherboard accessories, cables, not cables, screws, yeah. So the motherboard accessories, the case accessories, SATA cables, all the documentations, DVDs, all those good stuff, right? What's that? Oh, graphics card. Okay. Yeah. Goodie bag, right? We got 2 goodie bags and a computer. All right, so now for the cool stuff. Let's get to the table because this table is really small. It's on the ground. Okay. Computer. Oh yeah. I've heard a lot that all of the NZXT BLD comes with these Insta packs. Let's take it out first. Okay. Let's flip it. Now here, I don't want to dent anything. Let's see if anything is broken. I'm hoping nothing is. So I don't have to contact customer service and play his computer any longer. Nice. So nothing really dirty, which is really good. Because you know how sometimes when you have people build your computers, their hands are all slimy. I'm not saying that because I do that, right? So, computer, whoa. Spoke too soon. I'm gonna have to wipe that. Oh, actually, no, there's a plastic cover. I forgot about that. As you can see, I'm very professional. Okay, let's open this up and let's take a look. Okay, whoa. Okay, wow. Okay. Let's set this aside so it doesn't break. Okay, Instapack. Did they use 2? I think they used 2. Oh, okay. So Instapack, if y'all don't know, is basically, it starts off really flat. I think you pop, there's a place where you press and it just pops the Instapack and just slowly grows into the shape of the computer, right? As y'all can see, there's an AIO in here, really nice. RGB RAM, of course. Oh yeah, so they did include 2. So one for the computer and the one for the graphics card. Okay, let's put this to the side. All right, so as y'all can see here, cooler, I forget which one it was. I think it's like the Z22 from NZXT. This is the Gigabyte 3060, right? It has 12 gigabytes of VRAM and it's gonna be fairly good for what he's doing. He's not gonna do a ton of gaming. It would still benefit him in gaming, but it's just, he's not gonna be playing as much, right? So the price of this was about $2,050, right? It is good. It's fairly expensive. The graphics card, I think, it was $750. I might be wrong. So, anyways, yeah, it looks really, really clean. Comes with 2 fans in the front, right here. Ooh, okay, cable managing is really nice. Okay, that's pretty good actually. Very impressed currently. Very, very impressed. Because I know some companies, they don't have really good cable managing. Most of the ones that I've seen do, which is really good. Oh, this is something cool too. Let's take a look at the back. They include where to plug everything in. So one would be where your monitor is plugged in. 2 would be your peripherals, like your keyboard, mouse. 3 is your, I think this is your, I don't know what that is, but this is audio. I forgot what this was. Quick start guide. Bottom line grab it. Okay, so let's continue. All right, let's take a look at the back. Cable managing. I don't think I put cable managing in my videos that much because I don't think I do that well. So we're not gonna show it, but let's see how they do. NZXT. Okay. I would say pretty good. Pretty good. All right. Everything's kind of tied up pretty nicely. This is quite a little bit. Okay, I could see it. It's pretty good. It's not like it's just stuffed in there like sometimes I do, but there seems to be some thought. What is? Oh, okay. So I think this is just for an additional. Let's say you want to put another hard drive down here. This is just like easily adding. Plug this in, add a SATA cable, and it's done. Yeah, sounds like I would say slightly better than what I do, but that's besides the point. So everything looks really nice. Yeah, I'm actually super impressed. Okay, now let's see if it turns on. I think that's the main question, right? Everything seems to be plugged in. Let's see if it turns on. I'm gonna grab the power cables and let's plug it in. Power cables. Okay. Whew. I'm sweating. I really very, very out of shape. If I look bad, I apologize. But we're almost done with unboxing. After this, all I want to do is run some benchmarks to see how it goes. And yeah, the NZXT BLD, currently very, very happy with it. Even though it's not mine. But Ryzen 9 3900X and a 3060, pretty good. I think 3060s go for $1,000 right now. So $2,000 computer, not terrible. Okay, switch is on. Let's press the power button. Oh, it turns on. Okay, let's see if the RAM. Ooh, okay, nice. That's cool. Okay, everything turns on. Nice. So the plastic stuff I'm gonna leave on because I'm gonna have him, peel it off. Because I don't really want to my fingers. I probably take this off first, but the glass. I'm just joking. Yeah. Now that I think about it, I have to take everything off because I have to do etching on the glass, and I don't want anything to just get smushed or like melt or whatever like that. So, anyways, NZXT BLD. I'm actually really glad that I do recommend these to my friends because one, again, they have very, very good prices, especially right now, especially during a shortage of graphics cards. And the service, it did take a little bit longer because I think one, parts aren't coming in as much. They're also getting a lot of customers. So the build took, I would say, 2 weeks. It shipped out, I think, on the 8th of May, and it came in on the 12th. So I might be wrong. I'll make sure of that. I'll post it on screen, post it, on the video when it came in. So the delivery was really, really quick. Build time was also really quick. In the email, they also tell you the status of it. So one would be order received, payment charged, and then building. Once it's built, they'll let you know. And then once it's shipped out, they'll let you know as well. And when it arrives, they'll also send you an email. So I think the process is very simple, very easy. To start your build, you just go to the website, all that stuff. But yeah, I think overall, very nice, very clean. Very happy that I advertise these, or not really advertise, but I recommend. No one sponsors us. Too small of a YouTuber. Not really a YouTuber, but content creator, or trying to. Anyways, let's go on to the benchmarks, but very nice. I like it. Okay, benchmark time. So yeah. so I hope everyone enjoyed the benchmarks. As y'all see, that the 3060 is actually really, really good, right? Because I haven't had a chance to get my hands on like a 3000 series graphics card. So this was like a new experience for me. But if we move on to the computer, the main centerpiece, y'all will see something different. It's an EVGA 3060 now. Why is that? Okay, so everything you guys see in the benchmarks are all run with the new graphics card. Unfortunately, when I plugged in the computer and I did turn it on, like actually connected it to the computer, I was getting artifacting. So I contacted NZXT, and I would say super, super good customer service. Right? It took about, I would say, a couple minutes, but I did contact them in the early mornings, about like 10 a.m. So customer service took about a couple minutes just to get in touch with an agent, and he resolved my issue with no stress. All we did was go through troubleshooting steps, what I did, what he could recommend, and after I told him what I tried to do, I reseated the graphics card. I want to swap another one in, but I got lazy. But I reseated it, and still artifacting, right? So he just said, let's go ahead and just send it out, get it replaced, all of that stuff. So I just took out the graphics card, mailed it to them, and in about a week, I got the replacement, and everything's good. New card is working. It's not the same one, but process was super easy. Very, very happy. So, this is the first time ever that I'm doing like a unboxing / review, so it's pretty bad, but hopefully I get slowly get better. Alright, so yeah, I'm still not used to it, but I'm hoping I could do something different, and I do enjoy this. I still don't like showing my face. That's why I have this mask. How's it look?
Show off
Right?
the there we go.
It's right here. I thought it was on my left. It's right here. Look at the custom made by me. Text box. Yeah. So computer, NZXT BLD, I would say is really, really good. I would recommend it right now, only because it's still so hard to get parts. Only downside is they only use their own NZXT cases. I've talked to some people, and they did say that they don't like the designs of the case. It's too simple for them, right? If you're okay with that, by all means, try it. And yeah, check out the client, or my client? The client. Yeah, check out the person that this computer's for. Basically, I got it just to make sure that nothing is wrong. Like, the graphics card artifacting issue. And I also did add another hard drive in here, a 1TB Crucial SSD. And we were going to do vinyl and some glass etching, but since we went over his budget quite a lot, we just decided to leave it as is. And if he, hopefully in the future, if he does want to do some designs, he does contact me again. That'd be really, really cool. His design ideas would have been really cool. At least in my mind, it would have been super clean, super slick, just, all black, added on the case to the really white, plain panels. It would have looked cool. I think so, at least. And I was going to throw some LEDs in there, etch something on the glass. Would have looked cool. But that's besides the point. I just hope he enjoys it, and I hope, if y'all want to check him out, I'll link his channel in the description. Yeah, let me know how badly I did. It will be really interesting to see what people think, especially my friends, especially my manager that I never hired. Let me know. Thank you for watching.